Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving into the epitome of luxury, with the 2024 Toyota Century. Let's take a closer look. The Toyota Century has long been revered as a symbol of prestige and elegance in the automotive world. In 2024, Toyota continues this tradition of luxury and craftsmanship with the latest iteration of the Century. From every angle, the Century exudes understated opulence. Its classic yet contemporary design commands attention, with refined lines, chrome accents, and luxurious detailing. Step inside, and you're greeted by a sanctuary of comfort and sophistication. The interior of the Century is meticulously crafted, with premium materials, exquisite wood trim, and indulgent amenities. But it's not just about luxury. The Century also offers an array of advanced technology and comfort features designed to enhance your driving experience. From state-of-the-art infotainment systems to massage seats, every detail is tailored for ultimate relaxation and convenience. Under the hood, the Century delivers a refined and powerful performance, combining smooth power delivery with effortless acceleration. Whether cruising on the open road or navigating city streets, the Century provides a serene and composed ride. In addition to luxury and performance, the Century prioritizes safety with an array of advanced driver assistance systems and cutting-edge safety features, providing peace of mind for both driver and passengers. In conclusion, the 2024 Toyota Century redefines luxury with its timeless design, impeccable craftsmanship, and advanced technology. It's a testament to Toyota's commitment to excellence and a worthy successor to its prestigious lineage. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive insights. Until next time, drive safe and stay luxurious.